So this is example number 3. This is where they throw in the slight wrinkle to complicate matters a little bit. Previously, when we had a number here, a coefficient in front of the variable squared, the first term, we would just try to factor that out. But if we take a quick look, not all of our terms are divisible by 4. Right? 9 is not divisible by 4, so we can't factor out the 4. So that complicates things slightly. Not much, just slightly. So what we have to do in this case is we look at our coefficient right here, and we look at our last term right here. Right? In this case, we have 4 and a positive 9. So what we have to do is multiply those two numbers. Right? So 4 times 9 is 36. Now, we need to find two numbers that multiply to that 36 and add to the 20. Right? That's the same as before. The only thing we've changed is now that we have to multiply these two numbers. So let's factor 36. 136. And because it's all positive, we know our factors are going to be positive. So I'm not going to worry about the negative factors. So 136, 218, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 6 and 6, 6. Now we have to find the set of factors that adds to 20. So we add 1 and 36, well that's 37. Oh, 2 and 18, that makes 20. So now what we have to do is rewrite our expression. And we have to split up our 20h. We have to split it up into two parts. And we're going to split it up into those two parts. So we're going to rewrite that. I'm going to rewrite it like that. 4h squared plus 2h plus 18h plus 9. So I've decomposed, I've broken down the 20h. Now, we can go from there and we can look at each piece separately. Right, so let's look at that first set of brackets, 4h squared plus 2h. So we can factor out, what can we factor out of there? We factor out a 2 and then h. So we're left with 2h, or we factored out the 2h, we're left with 2h plus 1. Now we look at that second set of brackets, what can we factor out of that? We've got 18h plus 9. We can't take an h out because only one of those terms has an h. Both of them are multiples of 9, so we can factor out a 9. Now, you should notice that the brackets are going to contain the same thing. And that's what you want. That means you're on the right path. So we're almost done. So our first factor is going to be 2h plus 1. Our second factor, we're going to collect this piece and combine this piece into our second factor.